Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet educational prerequisites, an ABET or state-approved engineering degree and the official graduation date. Once confirmed, register for the Fundamentals of Engineering exam, pick a test window within 3 months and pay the fee. Make sure to order official transcripts and verify acceptable ID types early, because transcripts can take weeks. Once done, create an account with your state board, note application deadlines, and prepare a short study plan focusing on FE disciplines you use daily. Now you build qualifying experience and prepare for the next exams. You must log engineering hours with project detail, supervisor names, and exact dates. Follow your state's experience requirements precisely. Request references early and set up a mentor relationship to review your work samples. Study strategically. Take practice exams, target weak topics, and enroll in a PE review course if needed. Once you pass the FE and have required experience years, schedule the PE exam and finish by submitting your complete application, fees, reference letters, verified experience log, and official transcripts. Then wait for board approval to sit for the PE exam. On exam day, arrive early with approved calculator model and necessary ID, manage time per problem and flag questions to revisit. If the board requests more evidence, respond quickly with supplemental documents and supervisor confirmations. If you fail or are denied, analyze feedback, address deficiencies, and reapply or appeal within the state's prescribed timelines to keep momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.